This is Northampton Sharp Eye Channel. Today it's match day 1 of Betway Premiership. With me here it's Iniesta, my Iniesta. How's my brother?
Sure, my brother. How are you?
Fine, thanks, man. Can you please greet the viewers at home?
Yeah. First, let me greet the viewers of 2010 Sharp Eye. I hope you are good, guys. Beautiful day, Saturday, first day of Betway Premiership, match day 1. I hope you are all ready here.
Yeah, we are ready, and I hope they are ready. As we mentioned before, DSTV is gone. Now it's Betway Premiership.
Yeah.
And what do you expect from this sponsorship?
Yeah, obviously it's a new sponsorship, Betway Premiership. Not forgetting DSTV Premiership. Obviously, you can't forget Mamelodi Sundowns when you talk about DSTV Premiership. Right now it's gone. DSTV Premiership. So a new sponsor, obviously they came with a lot of money on the table, and big up to Dr. Ivan Kaizer for bringing Betway's Premiership. We're expecting more money, obviously I'm still disappointed. I never saw the trophy, but we will see which trophy they will bring, and we don't know how much money we're playing for. But I believe it's gonna be at least 20 million or 30 million, because remember Betway DSTV Premiership, it was 15 million. So I think it's,
and Sundowns took all of it.
So I think it's gonna be at least 30 million or 20 million. So we will see. Today is first day of the leagues. We're excited, man. We're excited, and I also believe the fans are also excited. There are a lot of games. There are games at Polokwane, there are games at Durban, there are games at Bloemfontein. So it's a beautiful day, my brother. So we are all excited today.
Wonderful. First game, Royal AM versus Cape Town City, and in KZN. It's going to be a tough one for Royal AM, taking into consideration that it's the third year this season they haven't signed any player. So what do you feel about that game?
Royal AM, Royal Andile Mbisana Football Club, they are playing at home against Eric Tingler's side, Cape Town City, the Citizens, the Commit side. So it's going to be a beautiful game, Royal AM versus Cape Town City. When it's Royal AM home games, they always come to party. So I believe it's going to be an interesting one. And Cape Town City, they are on form. They've been playing on MTN 8. They just lost against Orlando Pirates on the semi-final of MTN 8. Remember, the first game MTN 8, they played against Bagina Nogo. They won 2-0. And the second game they played Orlando Pirates, they drew 1-1, and also they lost 2-0 on that game. So meaning they're still on from Cape Town City. They've been playing during preseason, and it's first official game for Royal AM. So it's gonna be an interesting game. I believe Cape Town City will win this one. Even though it's a home game for Royal AM, but I think Coach Leboga Manyama and Coach Eric Tingler, they will do well for Cape Town City. They have good players, the likes of Kamugalo Mukojo. He's been on form there at Cape Town City. And also this boy who's playing right winger Roots. He's also on form. So
you also had Makaringa also.
Makaringa is also on form, from Orlando Pirates player. I think they will do wonders for Cape Town City. And not forgetting Royal AM, they have good players there. They also have a good coach John Maduka, and they just also brought back their Mr. CEO, Mr. Sinkin. So I also believe they will do well. So, but I think the Citizens, Cape Town City, will win this one today.
What's your score prediction?
I think it's gonna be 1-0.
1-0 to the Citizens.
All
right, thank you very much. Let's move forward to the big one, very big one, much anticipated game, Marimo Gallants versus Kaizer Chiefs. We saw the touchdown at Bloemfontein. Kaizer Chiefs left Joburg yesterday, and I think Bloemfontein is a buzz right now.
Dr. Kaizer Football Club against Marimo Gallants. We'll see a good game, another one in Bloemfontein. It's a sold-out game, and the stadium is full. So the people of Bloemfontein, obviously, they are excited. The football is back at Bloemfontein. So Kaizer Chiefs, new coach, new technical team, everything is new players, the likes of Serino, the new signing from Golden Arrows, Cross, and also the new signing from Petro di Luanda, Miguel, and not forgetting the big signing, Serino. Coutinho, and also Jabulo Blom is back home.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a good game against
Bongani Sam also.
Yeah, also Bongani Sam.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good game against Denden Malasela side. They have good players there. Chola Mulambo is back, former Orlando Pirates player. They also have experienced players like Bobo Mulongwane, Joseph Polokwane. Not forgetting the likes of Edgar Stikamana against them.
Even the goalkeeper from
Daniel Akpe from Solos is also there. Not forgetting the lethal striker Gabadino Mahango
is also
there.
there.
So they have a good side. Batlhabane Bantwa, Marumo Galan. So it's gonna be a big game. The stadium, people will come in numbers there.
And the tickets are sold out.
Tickets are sold out.
Yeah.
So I see Kaizer Chiefs coming with something new today. I see not everyone knows what Kaizer Chiefs gonna bring on table today. So, but obviously, we're not sure which lineup is gonna be there. I see Ndwari starting today. The goalkeeper from Chess Galaxy just came.
Plus he played well.
Yeah, during international break, he was playing for Rwanda. He kept clean sheet against Nigeria. So I think he will start. And also, I believe the new signing, Bongani Sam or Cross will start on the left side. I'm not sure which one is gonna start. On the back, the centre back, I think the coach will go for Dudley and Musimango. I think Miguel will not start today. And on the right side, I think Frosla will start. So going to the middle of the park, obviously Mart, the captain, will start, and also not forgetting Castillo. Castillo will start. I don't think coach will do a lot of changes. And I also believe Serino will also start.
As a false 10.
As a false 10. I think they're gonna play him as a winger today. I think they might start. They'll go 4-4-2 formation. I think they will use Ranga Chivavero and Dipris. Because they are both on form. I think Serino will start on right, and they'll use Pule Modi on the left side. So
what about Zwane? Do you think Zwane will start?
I don't think Samuel Zwane will start, because those boys, they got their chance during preseason game, especially that big game against younger Africa. So I think coach saw what he wanted to show. That's why I'm saying he might go for 4-4-2. I believe Mart, Castillo, Dolly and Modi and Ranga and Dipris. So obviously, yes, he can't start all the players, especially the new ones. So I believe, may the best starting 11 start. And obviously on Marmugalan side, I believe on the front, Gabadino Mahango
will definitely start
as a striker. And also Molongwane will play as a left winger. On the middle park, players like Kamanaka obviously will play there on the anchor role. So it's gonna be a good game. Obviously, we know Denden Malasela is more of tiki-taka kind of style of play, with the mixture of Mamelodi Sundowns, Shushan and Piano. So obviously, we don't know the style of play, because we never saw those preseason games.
So they were played behind the scenes.
They were played behind the scenes, but the way we had. We are going to show a good football. So, because obviously that game against Yanga, we didn't see anything. It was his first game. But I believe we're gonna see a good game of football, and I believe Kaizer Chiefs will win this one by 2-0. By 2-0. 2 goals.
If Kaizer Chiefs can win today, the economy is gonna be it's gonna go high.
Definitely, my brother. The economy is gonna be high. You must record this thing. Kaizer Chiefs will win 2-0.
2 goals to. Okay, who do you think can be in a scoring? Like who can put his name in the scoring?
I think the Chris will score. And also Serino might score on the penalty. But definitely Serino and the Prince will score too.
No, thank you very much, my brother. All the best to the teams today. We think that Kaizer Chiefs, as much as they lost 4-0 to young Africans, that might be a wake up call to them, and a lot of people were excited that they're gonna see a different Chiefs, but they lost. But now Kaizer Chiefs fans are propelled. They are going to Bloemfontein. They are in Bloemfontein right now. Tickets are sold out. So hopefully the Kaizer Chiefs won't disappoint at this time. Let's move forward to Polokwane City. They are playing also a home game. I think it's against Amazulu.
Yeah.
What do you think about that match?
Yeah, have Usutu against the Rise and Shine. Polokwane City, they're playing home at Old Peter Mugaba Stadium. Remember, Polokwane City, they played on MTN 8 against Mamelodi Sundowns. They played very, very, very good against Mamelodi Sundowns. They were supposed to win that game. So they have a good coach, Puti Mohafe, on the bench. So they have a good technical team. They have good players. Chiefs one man, Osina Police is there at Polokwane City. They have Simon Neymarama, who is a very talented right winger. They also have Emmanuel Lord Kampala on the middle park. They're all
the man who broke Kaizer Chiefs fans' hearts.
The man who broke Kaizer Chiefs fans' hearts, Emmanuel Kampala. They also have talented young boy Dlamini there. And also, they have good players there. They have good players. And Ngagi, the centre back. So I believe Polokwane City have a good squad. Also, Amazulu, they have the likes of. George Manulek has gone right now. But I
think they still have his XTN still there.
Yeah, XTN is still there, and he played well last season. Very well, He played well last season. So Amazulu, I think. Yes, they've good players and a good technical team, a good coach, Mr. Pablo. So, but I don't think they have a squad that's gonna compete. Yes, they have the likes of Hanap, the guy who plays left back, the guy from Namibia, very talented, good player. Ben Motsari, who is also there at Amazulu. So, but it's gonna be tough against Polokwane City. Polokwane is playing home, small stadium. All Peter. So I think it's gonna be fully packed there. So the people of Limpopo will come in numbers. I think the Polokwane City will take this one, will win this one.
Score?
Polokwane City 1, Amazulu North.
Polokwane City 1, Amazulu North. Thank you very much, Iniesta, and thank you very much for availing yourself. And let's move forward. Let's hope that we're gonna have a beautiful weekend, a beautiful match day 1. And we're looking forward to a beautiful also a beautiful Betway Premiership 2024-2025.
It's gonna be a good day today. Kaizer Chiefs versus Marumo Gallants. It's a sold out. Those who didn't buy tickets, please don't go to stadium. We don't want drama. And especially those who are going to Limpopo, drive safe for Polokwane game, and also those who are going to Bloemfontein, even Durban. So please drive safe and be safe. So go there and enjoy your game, and don't forget to subscribe and like at 2010 I Sharp channel. We are there at YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere we are there. Please continue supporting us. We love you.
Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We're still going to give you more and more and more. With your support, we're going to go far. Thank you very much. Thank you.